Instead of spending serious money on a designer, or spending serious time learning Canva or Photoshop to design professional thumbnails that get clicked, that changes today. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create professional, scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnails using AI, completely for free, without a single paid subscription. So if you've been putting off leveling up your thumbnails because you thought it required a big budget or a design degree, this video is going to change that for you. Stay with me, because I'm going to walk you through the exact process step by step, and by the time this video ends, you will have a thumbnail ready to go. The platform we are using is Google Flow. This is Google's AI Creative Studio, and right now it gives you free access to the Nano Banana 2 model, which is one of the most powerful image generation models available today. What makes it special for YouTube creators is that it can render clean, readable text directly inside your image, something that most AI image tools have failed at for years. And the best part is, there is no waitlist, no watermark, and no cost. To get started, click the link in the description and sign in with your Google account. Once you are inside, you will see the image generation interface. Before you generate anything, open the settings panel. Make sure the image option is selected. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the standard YouTube thumbnail format, and set the number of images per generation to 2. This way you always have 2 variations to choose from, instead of being locked into a single result. As you can see on screen, the Nano Banana 2 model shows a cost of $0. No tricks, no hidden fees. You are ready to start creating. Before you type your first prompt, you need to understand how to communicate with this model. There are 5 elements that every strong thumbnail prompt needs. When you include all 5, the output looks like something a professional designer spent hours producing. The first element is your subject. This is the main focus of the image, the thing you want the viewer to see first. It could be a person with a specific expression, an object, a scene, or anything directly related to your video topic. Be specific. The more detail you give the model, the better the result. The second element is emotion. Thumbnails that get clicked almost always trigger a strong feeling in the viewer, whether that is shock, curiosity, excitement, or disbelief. Name that emotion clearly in your prompt, because the model responds to it, and it will show in the final output. The third element is composition. This means telling the model where you want things positioned in the frame. For YouTube thumbnails, a common layout is the main subject on one side with the title text on the other side. Give the model clear positional instructions like subject on the right, text on the upper left, so it knows exactly how to arrange the image. The fourth element is the text. This is where Nano Banana 2 completely separates itself from other AI image models. You can write the exact words you want displayed on your thumbnail directly in your prompt, specify the color, weight, and position, and the model will render them cleanly and legibly inside the image. No more blurry letters or garbled words. The fifth element is technical specs. Always specify a 16:9 aspect ratio and a visual style. Styles like cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic, flat design, or bold graphic style will shape the overall look of your thumbnail and help it match the aesthetic of your channel. Now let us put this into practice with a real example using only a text prompt. Imagine your video is about making money with AI tools. Here is a prompt that works well for that topic. It specifies a female character positioned on the right holding money and describes the emotion. It includes a black text with yellow background positioned at top center and a blurry background and visual style. Type that into the Google Flow prompt box and hit generate. In a matter of seconds, the model produces 2 variations. Look at what we got. The composition is clean, the subject looks natural and expressive, the text is sharp and positioned exactly where we asked, and the background adds context without distracting from the main subject. We generated this in under 10 seconds, and it cost us absolutely nothing. If the first result is not quite what you had in mind, do not start over from scratch. Simply tweak one element of your prompt and generate again. Maybe you want a different expression, a bolder text style, or a brighter background. Each adjustment moves the output closer to your vision. Once you are happy with the result, download it. Even on the free plan, you can upscale your image up to 2K resolution before downloading, which fully meets YouTube's thumbnail quality requirements. Now, let me show you something that is going to be a game changer for your channel branding. When a viewer scrolls through YouTube, they should be able to recognize your thumbnails at a glance before they even read the title. That only happens when your character, composition, and color style stay consistent across every video you publish. The way we achieve this in Google Flow is by uploading your character as a reference image. In a previous video on this channel, I showed you how to create a consistent AI character that looks realistic and represents your brand. Once you have that character image ready, upload any other necessary elements such as platform or tool logo, then add your prompt. My prompt asks the model to include the uploaded character on the right, include text at top left, and then the uploaded logo below the text in 3D format. Then I will hit create. Look at the results on screen. The character is consistent and positioned exactly on the right with a shocked expression that instantly triggers curiosity. The title text is clean and well placed in the upper left. The Gemini logo is rendered in 3D with a glowing effect just below the text, exactly as described. This looks like a high-budget production, but it was created for free in seconds using nothing but a reference image and a well-written prompt. Case number 3 is where you don't want to start from scratch, but instead, get inspiration from a thumbnail from another channel that is already promising. Of course, we are not copying, but modeling what is already working. This is where NanoBanana 2 breaks the limit. Download that thumbnail and upload it in Google Flow. Also, upload your character. Then add a short prompt. For example, replace the person in the thumbnail, which is image 1, with the uploaded character, which is image 2, maintaining the same pose and pointing gesture. It then specifies where the text should be positioned and what should be changed in the reference thumbnail. In a moment, you get thumbnails with a similar composition but with your own avatar and a new look. That's how most creators go viral without spending much time in Photoshop designing and experimenting with thumbnails. They study what's working in the same niche and model the system. The next case is bringing your thumbnail idea from a hand-drawn sketch. This is for creators who already know exactly what they want. They know exactly how the final thumbnail should look but can't be able to design in the software and don't want to spend a lot of time designing. Simply grab a book and a pen and sketch it out. Alternatively, you can use any online drawing app. Once your sketch is ready, upload it into NanoBanana 2 alongside with your character and add a prompt like this. It tells the AI to replace the person from the sketch with your uploaded character, keeping the same camera perspective, but with bold, dramatic lighting and bold colors. Just from my poor sketch, I now have a high-budget thumbnail with consistent character. With this method, you can design thumbnails close to those for top creators like Mr. Beast. This is a game change for creators who have a vision but don't have the design skills. You can now make your idea happen with AI for completely free. No more Photoshop or Canva, but a pen with paper and an idea. You now have 4 complete methods for creating professional thumbnails with AI for free. The workflow I walked you through today is repeatable for every single video you publish from this point forward. No more outsourcing thumbnails. No more settling for something that looks average. You have the tools and the system right now. If you are building a YouTube channel with AI and you want a full structured path to grow it, stay consistent, and monetize it correctly, I have a private community where I teach creators exactly how to do that from scratch. The link is in the description below. And if this video gave you value, drop a comment telling me which of the 4 methods you are going to use first. That helps me understand what to cover next. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss the next video. Happy creating!